Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you've stopped by because you love seeing what people get in their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I will be doing an unboxing of the July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For anyone who is new to what Ipsy is all about, it is a beauty subscription. They have 3 pricing models. They have a $13 bag, a $28 bag, which is what I have here, and they also offer a $60 bag, which is an upgrade to this bag here, which happens quarterly. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is the bag I get, you do get to select 3 of the 5 items that come in your bag, and they also share with you the 2 items they'll be sending you. Do you think I remember a single thing that's in this bag? Sadly, no. It's very heavy and there's something quite boxy in here. I don't remember a single thing. Also, I may or may not have picked up some add-ons. I guess the only way to find out is for me to stop talking and open up the bag. Alright, here is the beauty bag we got this month. I got the yellow. I was hoping to get the blue one. But hey, do I use these for anything? Not really. Leave me a comment if you found a good use for the Ipsy bags. Mine are just piled up in a box. Alright, I'm extremely curious what the super heavy item is, so I'm going to grab that one first. What are you? Holy cow. Even the size of the box doesn't equal how heavy this is. Alright, so this here is the Milkdew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. I love toners, and this is from GLOWOASIS. Did I pick this? Or did they plop it in my box? As I said, I don't remember. Alright, so this is super heavy because it's glass. Okay, I love products like this. It does come with a little stopper there. Not much to smell or sample on the back of the hand. So hopefully someday you will see this in an empties video and get a review. What does said product retail for? Let me look at the lovely little app. Okay, so the GLOWOASIS Milky Dew Toner retails for $34. Wow, that is quite bougie, but the packaging aligns with the price point. Alright, next item. Alright, we got some brushes. These are from SHAINA Miami, and it looks like there are 5 brushes total. One seems to be a brush you would use for brush or bronzer, and the other 4 are what I would use for eyeshadow. Let's see what this retails for. Okay, the brush set retails for $25. Next item. Alright, we got some makeup, or I suspect because it's in bubble wrap. That's my theory. If it comes in bubble wrap and it's rectangular or square, she's makeup. Alright, what do we have here? This is from ARACELI, and it's the Tequila highlighter. Guess what I forgot to wear today? Highlighter. That worked out well. This is in the shade Blanco, and if I can open the box, I will do a swatch and then throw some on my face. There we go. Alright, so it comes just in a cardboard. It does have a mirror, and that is what the shade looks like. That, for my fair skin, looks more like a bronzer. Oh, what the heck. I'm just going to swatch it. What I do with highlighters, if they're too, like this one's way too dark for me, it's way too golden, I can use them as eyeshadows, but let me just throw it on the back of my hand. It's right there. It's very pretty. Just, I think it's intended for someone with darker skin tone than me. But let me throw it on my face and let's see how well it does on fair skin. As I'm applying this, by the way, it's a little too dark, but I think it's doable. I realized in my rush to film this video, by the way, I'm filming this on a Tuesday and I hate filming midweek. I threw my makeup on, but forgot to put on blush, contour bronzer, and highlighter. So, it would probably look better on top of some blush. But I'm already mid-filming, so who cares? Maybe if I get some blush, then it's like a happy accident. I can put it on my face. All right, what does that retail for? All right, so the highlighter from ARACELI retails for $24. What is this little guy? I can only tell it's from the brand Pure. Don't know what it is. It says On Point Waterproof Liquid Eye Pen. Weighs like nothing. Leave me a comment down below if you're tired of getting black eyeliners in subscription boxes. Goodness gracious. All right, let's look at the tip. It seems to be a felt tip. Let's do a swatch. All right, she's very black, which is good. Doesn't seem to be shiny. I'm gonna let it sit there and dry down, and I will do a smudge test before the end of this video. How much does that retail for? Yikes, this retails for $20, which for me is a little pricey. It does have a roller ball, which for me is a plus. All right, and the last item is big. Would argue. All right, seems to be a palette of some sort. It's from ZOEVA. Let me get it comes with plastic wrap. You take that off so you don't get any, ring light shine. All right, the writing's tiny. It's gold on tan. I'm going straight for the app here. I'll be able to tell you which palette that is and the price, and then I will share the colors. All right, so the ZOEVA palette is called Caramel Melange, and let's see what the color story is all about. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so we have some nice kind of orangey, tan, I don't know, adventurous neutrals. That's how I describe them. They're neutral, but you do get some oranges and some deeper kind of terracotta, and just at the end of the day, it's a neutrals palette, but slightly different color story neutral than others, and it's warm toned. All right, what does that retail for? Did I already say? I don't remember. No, I looked, but I didn't say. It retails for $28. All right, that's not too shabby. I almost forgot. I promised to do my smudge test. All right. Did not smudge. So, hey, if we're going to get a black eyeliner, at least it's a good one. All right, let's recap everything I got in the July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got a 10-pan eyeshadow palette from ZOEVA, a highlighter from ARACELI, a black liquid eyeliner from Pure, a 5-piece brush set from SHAINA B Miami, and the Moisture Milk Toner from GLOWOASIS. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are not too shabby. If you count makeup brushes as makeup, which I think they are, I got 4 makeup items and 1 skincare. The skincare item is a toner, which I love. So for me, this was a great box. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. If I could do math in my head, which I can't, but off memory, I think almost everything was at least $20. So the box is going to be, I don't know, I think it's going to be a lower value for Ipsy, meaning like in the $130 range. But something will float on screen to see how far off I was. Leave me your thoughts and comments. What did you think of my box? Have you gotten your box yet? To be honest, my box arrived what I thought really late. I'd already received my Macy's box, my BoxyCharm, and my Allure box. And the last box I got was Ipsy. This is why I'm filming midweek, because it arrived so late. If I had to wait till Saturday, this wouldn't go up until the last week in July, and that's no fun. All right, leave me your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know what you thought of my box. Let me know if you were jealous or were you like, ew, what a bad box. And let me know what you got. I'm always curious what other people get in their boxes. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.